Yes, today we have finally make this MBUX original Mercedes working inside this pre-facelift E-Class. You can see from the steering wheel, from here, right? It's pre-facelift E-Class. Okay. So, and this is the most important part. This is touchscreen now. Singapore map. Right? You can set to here, 3D view. Okay. You can control by this touch steering wheel. Okay. You have the AMG Track Pace. You have the AMG Performance. Engine data.
Well, last night the Victoria Theatre was abuzz with much excitement, triumph, and
AMG Track Pace.
That's because the best of Singapore's
Telemetric.
talents, from new wordsmiths to living legends, were awarded
Full screen.
Singapore, the Singapore
Okay.
Leisure
Speed,
Prize
acceleration.
2022. There were 8 first-time winners, which is great.
You have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Baidu Car Life. Okay. You have this new E-Class looking, like this camera.
Who is turning 92 in October describes his feelings to me, Melanie.
Vehicle. We set to the AMG one now. Acoustic lock. Okay. Vehicle. Hi Mercedes.
How can I help?
Ambient light red.
Okay, I am changing the color.
Hi Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Temperature 21 Celsius degree.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 21 degrees.
Okay, you can see temperature is 21 now, right? You can set the temperature. You can also change in the driving mode. Right? 我再试一下啊。Yeah, the 360-degree camera, right? All working well now. Okay, this button on, off, camera off, on. Press this button, the 360 camera will come up. Yeah, this is a parking assist.
Panasonic has reportedly in talks to build an additional $4
Okay.
billion battery plant for electric vehicles in the USA. The Wall Street Journal reported that the supply of Tesla
Mileage.
is looking
Yeah, automatic show up. Thank you. Bye bye.